Hey folks! In this video, we will set up MarketMaker with MetaTrader 5. First, download and install MetaTrader 5 from your browser. You can skip this if you have MT5 already installed. Open your browser and search for MetaTrader 5 download. Press Download for Windows. Open Downloads Destination folder. Double-click MT5 Setup. Press Next. Press Finish. MT5 will automatically open with some browser pages. Let it all fully load.
Incoming mail.
Again, let MetaTrader finish loading. Be sure that your trading account is live and active. Close the charts and indicators. Leave one chart and make it full screen. Clear the grid and indicators from the chart. Close MetaTrader 5. Close all open windows. Now MT5 is installed and ready for MarketMaker. From here the tutorial continues if you had it already installed. Now we will download the MarketMaker software. Open your browser and navigate to our webshop. Log into your account. Use the code sent to your email. Click on Go to Store. The menu buttons Guide Downloads will be visible in the menu bar only when you buy the keyboard. You can read through the guide to set up your keyboard if you like. You can watch this video or you can read the guide. Both follow the same steps to set up MarketMaker. On this page, you can download all the software. First, download MT5 client. Then, download Windows Server. Lastly, download Roboto font. Open your Downloads Destination folder. You should have 3 files: MarketMaker TK Installer, Roboto, MMTK. Click on Roboto. Click Install. Click Yes if you get this pop-up. Close the window. Double-click MarketMaker TK Installer. Press More Info. Press Run anyway. Read the license agreement. This step is optional. Check the I accept the agreement checkbox. Press Next 2 times. Check the Create a Desktop Shortcut checkbox. Press Next. Press Install. Press Next. Make sure Launch MarketMaker TK is checked. Press Finish. If you see listening for app connections, then the app is all set up. Now we need to place the MMTK file in the right folder. Close all open windows. Open MetaTrader 5. Press File in the top left corner of MT5. Press Open Data folder. Open your Downloads Destination folder. We need to place the MMTK file in the right folder. Click on MQL5. Click on Experts. Open your folder with the MMTK file. Drag and drop MMTK into Experts folder. Close the File Explorer windows. Refresh Expert Advisors in the Navigator window. After refresh, you should see MMTK in the list. Click on Tools. Click on Options. Click on Expert Advisors. Check Allow Algorithmic Trading. Deselect the Disable Algorithmic options. Check Allow DLL and check Allow Web Requests. Add 1 to 7.0.0.1 without the quotes. Press OK. Close MetaTrader 5. Now, we will connect our trading keyboard. Open Bluetooth settings. Press Add a Bluetooth device. Press Add Bluetooth or other device. Press Bluetooth. Toggle on your MarketMaker and press the pairing button. The pairing button is next to the on/off toggle of your MarketMaker Trading Keyboard. You should see a green light blink on your MarketMaker. Press on MarketMaker TK to connect. Press Done. Test that it works by pressing Open Calc. Close all open windows. Open MetaTrader 5. Drag and drop MMTK on your chart. Confirm Allow DLL is checked. Press OK. Confirm that you receive Trading App Connected notification. If not, please contact customer support. Test that it works by pressing Open Calc. Now your MarketMaker is set up with MetaTrader 5. If you would like an MTK to auto-apply on your chart, follow these steps. Open a new chart. You can see that the top right corner is empty. The MMTK Expert Advisor is not applied when opening a new chart. Drag and drop MMTK on your chart. Press OK. Right mouse button, click on the chart. Clear the grid and volume chart options. Hover over templates and click Save Template. Type in default.tpl. Press Save. Open a new chart and test if it auto-applies the MMTK Expert Advisor. Press Open Calc to confirm it works. Your market maker is now ready for use with MetaTrader 5. Watch the walkthrough video to learn its features. That is all, folks. Thanks for watching.